We're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a couple of components here. One is going to be a new drain assembly. This is a Glacier Bay. It's a pop-up assembly with a rubber gasket on the bottom. And of course down below, which is typical of all drain assemblies, you got the rubber gasket cone style. And then just a little tail piece with another rubber gasket. So these are great as far as assembly. We had a little bit of water coming out up in here across the back, so we'd ask that you would monitor that. Right now, as you can see, it's dry, which is good. Once we got it all together, the original plumbing that was in here, the Schedule 40 the Schedule 40 PVC piping, which is the white material, the P-trap. There was the trap adapter up here, and that little feller was leaking. So we cut the whole thing out and give you a new tube of P-trap. So now feel free to just take this all apart. All these nuts are interchangeable. Same thing with the washers. Just take everything apart, clean your trap out, clean, of course, back into the drain. We pulled a lot of gunk out of there. You just put a flat screwdriver back in there and pull that debris out. Additionally, up on top, what's real nice when you go to clean, you can take this whole thing out, just pop it out, and clean it out. So it's all good. Anyways, everything looks good outside of that. This installation is done.